about rational numbers. The first chapter is rational numbers. So basically, what is a rational number? Any number that can be expressed in the form of p by q where q should not be equal to 0. Such a number is called as a rational number. For example, 2 by 3, minus 5 by 9, etc. So let us look at some of the examples. So we will do first exercise 1A, first one. First question, what does it say? Add each pair of rational number given below and show that addition is also a rational number. So we have to add the given numbers and we have to show the answer whatever we get is also a rational number. So the first question goes like this. Minus 5 by 8 and 3 by 8. So here the denominators are same. So there is no need that we have to take the LCM of these two numbers. Therefore we can do it directly, which is minus 5 by 8. These are called as like fractions. Minus 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Denominator, both of them have the same denominator. Therefore, it is 8 minus 5 plus 3 will give you minus 5 plus 3, which is equal to minus 2 divided by 8, which is also a rational number. Now, let us look at the second question, which is minus 8 by 13 and minus 4 by 13. Here, if you look at the denominators, both the denominators are same, which is 13 and 13. These numbers are called as like numbers or like fractions. So, there is no need that we have to take the LCM. So, directly we can write 13, a minus 8 by 13 plus of minus 4 by 13, which is equal to minus 8 minus 4 divided by 13, which will be minus 12 by 13, and the answer is again a rational number. Let us look at the next question, which is 6 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. Here the denominators are same, so there is no need that we have to take LCM. So the LCM is 11. 6 by 11 plus of minus 9 by 11, which is equal to 6 plus into minus is minus 9 by 11, which is equal to minus 3 by 11, which is again a rational number. Now let us move on to the fourth question, which is 5 divided by minus 26 and 8 divided by 39. So when you look at the denominators, you can find the denominators are not same. So these two are not like fractions. So in this case, you will have to take the LCM. So now let us take the LCM of 26 and we have to take the LCM of the denominators. Here the denominators are 26 and 39. So this fraction, let us write down it. Minus 5 by 26 plus 8 by 39. Now let us take the LCM of 26 and 39. 26 and 39. So least common multiple. So is it, let us check from 2. If we take 2, is 26 divisible by 2? Yes. 1s are 3s are, and 39 is not divisible. So we will write it as it is. And now we will go with 3. 13 is not divisible. Therefore it is again 1, 3. And now it is 30, which is 1 and 1. Therefore, our LCM is 2 into 3 into 30. So, which is 78. So, our LCM is 78. Now, in the next step, what is that we will do? We have to divide the denominator of each rational number by this LCM, and whatever you get the answer, you have to multiply it with the numerator. So when you divide 78 by 26, what is that you will get? You will get it as 3. So you have to multiply this numerator by 3. So this is minus 15. The same way divide 78 by 39, you will get it as 2, which is 8 into 2, and multiply it with the numerator. So it is 8 2s are 16 divided by 78. So minus 15 plus 16 will give us 1 by 78, which is again a rational number. Let us move on to the next question, that is the fifth question. 5 by minus 6 and 2 by 3. So if we look at the denominator, they are not same, so they are unlike fractions, so we will have to take the LCM. So this is minus 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3. Let us find the LCM. LCM of 6 and 3 is, we'll start it from 2. 2 3s are 6, 3, and again 3 1s are. So the LCM is 6. 2 into 3 into 1, which is 6. So if we take the LCM as 6, we have to divide this by this. So 6 is the denominator, 6 1s are, which is minus 5. You have to multiply the same number to the numerator, that is minus 5 into 1, which is minus 5, plus 3 2s are, which is 2 into 2, which is 4, which will give you minus 1 by 6, which is again a rational number. So the next question is minus 2 and 2 by 5. So minus 2 is nothing but in the denominator we have 1, which is minus 2 by 1 plus 2 by 5. So the LCM of 1 and 5 is nothing but 5. So LCM is 5. Now if LCM is 5, it is 1 into 5, 1 divided by 5, which is minus 2 into 5, you will get it as minus 10 plus this 5 is the LCM. 5 1s are, which is again 2 into 1, you have to multiply it, which you will get it as 2, which is nothing but minus 10 plus 2 whole by 5 will give you minus 8 by 5, which is again a rational number. So the next question what we have is 9 by minus 4 and minus 3 by 8. So we have to take the LCM of the denominators, which is 4 and 8. 4 and 8. So what is the LCM of 4 and 8? We'll start it from 2. 2 2s are, 2 4s are, again by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, again by 2. That is 1. Therefore the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2, which is 8. So 8 is the LCM. 4 divided by 8. 8 divided by 4 is 2. And when you multiply it, it will be minus 18 plus, again 8 is the LCM. 8 divided by 8 is 1, which is minus 3 into 1, which is minus 3, which is nothing but minus 18 minus 3 divided by 8, which is minus 21 by 8. And this is again a rational number. So the 8th question what we have is 7 by minus 18 and 8 by 27. So again, if you look at the denominator, it is 18 and 27. We will have to take the LCM of the denominators. So which is minus 7 by 18 plus 8 by 27. Let us take the LCM of 18 and 27. So we'll take it from, start it from 2. 2 9s are 27. Since 27 is not divisible by 2. And again we'll move on to 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. And again by 3 1s are 3s are, and again by 3 1s are 1s are. So the LCM is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 54. 54. Now we have got the LCM as 54. Right. So 54 is the LCM. 54 divided by 18 will give us 3. So it is 7 into 3. So minus 7 into 3 is minus 21 plus, again we have 54 as the LCM. When you divide 27 by 54, 54 by 27, what is that you get? 2s are. 27 2s are 54. which is 8 into 2 is 16. So minus 21 plus 16 divided by 54 will give us minus 5 by 54, which is again a rational number. So let us move on to the question number 2, which is that evaluate. We have to evaluate the questions. Okay. The first question is 5 by 9 plus minus 7 by 6. So first thing is, what we have to do is we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of the denominators 9 and 6 is, we'll start from 2, 9, 3s are, again 3, 3s are, 3 1s are, and again it is 3 1s are. So the LCM is 2 into 3 into 3, which is 18. 3 into 3, which is 18. So the LCM is 18. When 18 is divided by 9, it is twice. Therefore 5 into 2 is 10 plus, when 18 is divided by 6, it is 3 times of 18, which is, you have to multiply it, which will be 7 into 3 is minus 21. Therefore it is 10 plus into minus is minus 21 divided by 18, which will be minus 11 by 80. So the second question is 4 plus 3 divided by minus 5. So 4 by, if you don't have anything, it means in the denominator you have 4 plus 1 minus 3 by 5. So the LCM of the denominators 1 and 5 is, LCM is 5. So 5 is the LCM, which is 1 divided by 5 by 1 is 5, 4 into 5 is 20, minus, again 5 is the LCM, 5 divided by 5 is 1, which is 3 into 1 is 3, which is equal to 20 minus 3 by 5, which is 17 by 5. 17 by 5 is an improper fraction. If you keep it in mixed fraction, it will be 3 2 by 5. So the third question is 1 by minus 15 plus 5 divided by minus 12. So again we have to take the LCM of 15 and 12. So let us rewrite this. It is 1 by 15 plus of minus 5 by 12. So it is equal to minus 1 by 15 minus, plus into minus is minus 5 by 12. So let us take the LCM of 15 and 12 now. LCM of 15 and 12 is 2, 15, 2 6 are 12, and again 2, 15, 2 3s are 6, and again 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, and this is again 5 1s are. So it is 2 into 3 into 5, which is 60. So the LCM is 60. Now 60 into, so if you divide 60 by 15, we will get it as 4. So multiply it to the numerator, you will get it as minus 4. When you divide 60 by 12, you will get it as 4. Sorry, it is 5. So 12 5s are 60. Multiply 5, it will be minus 25, which is equal to minus 29 by 60. Alright, the next question is 5 by 9 plus 3 by minus 4. So we have to take the LCM of 9 and 4, which is equal to 5 by 9 minus 3 by 4, plus into minus. That is how you got minus here. So the LCM of 9 and 4 is, we'll start with 2, 9, 2 2s are 4, again let's take 2, 9, 2 1s are 2, then we'll move on to 3, 3 3s are 9, 1, and again 3, which is 1. So the LCM is 2 into 3 into 3, which is 36. Right. So 36 is the LCM. So 36, when you divide 9 by 36, you will get as 4. 9 4s are 36. So 5 into 4 is 20 minus 36. When you divide it by 4, you will get 4 9s are 36. Minus 3 into 9 is minus 27. So, sorry, there's a mistake. We'll do it again. So the fourth question is 5 by 9 plus 3 by minus 4, which is equal to, we have to take the LCM of 9 and 4, 5 by 9 minus of 3 by 4. So now let us take the LCM of 9 and 4. So 2 2s are 4, and again it is 2, 9, 1. Now we'll go with 3, 3s are 9, 1, and again with 3 it is 3 1s are. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 36. So 36 is the LCM. When you divide 9 by 36, it is 9 4s are 36, so it is 5 4s are. 5 4s are 20 minus 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9 into 9. 9 3s are 27. So it is 20 minus 27 divided by 36, which will be minus 7 by 36. Let us move on to the next question, which is minus 8 by 9 plus minus 5 by 12. So it's minus 8 by 9 minus 5 by 12. We'll have to take the LCM of the denominators. LCM for denominator 9 and 12 is, if you start from 2, it is 9, 2 6 are 12, again 2, 9, 2 3s are 6, and again by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are, again by 3, it is 3 1s are. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is 36. Now, 36 is the LCM. When you divide 36 by 9, you get 4. So, 8 into 4 is minus 32. Minus, again 36 is the LCM. 12, 3s are, when you divide 36 by 12, it is 3. Minus 5 into 3 is 15. So, it is 15. That is minus 32 minus 15 divided by 36 will give you minus 47 divided by 36. So the next question is 0 plus minus 2 by 7. So anything, if you add 0 plus anything, you will get back the same number. So I don't think there is any need of explanation. So it is nothing but minus 2 by 7. So the next question, which is the 7th question, is 5 by minus 11 plus 0. So this is nothing but minus 5 by 11 plus 0. Anything you add with 0, you will get back the same number. So it is minus 5 by 11. So let us move on to the 8th question, which is 2 plus minus 3 by 5. So which is equal to 2 by 1 minus 3 by 5. So the LCM of 1 and 5, we know it is 5. So it is 1 into 5, which is 10, minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. It is 3 by 5. So which is 10 minus 3 divided by 5, which is equal to 7 by 5. If you want to keep it in mixed fraction, it is 1, 2 by 5. So the next question, which is the last question, is 4 divided by minus 9 plus 1. So which is nothing but minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 1. So the LCM of 9 and 1 is, LCM is 9. So 9 divided by 9 is 1. So minus 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus 1 divided by 9 is 9, which is 1 into 9, which is 9 by 1. Sorry, 9 by 9, which is minus 4 plus 9 divided by 9, which will be 5 by 9. Please leave your feedback in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for new video notifications.